Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word grow. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The plants in the garden began to grow rapidly after receiving plenty of water and sunlight. In this sentence, grow refers to the plants increasing in size and height as a result of favorable conditions such as water and sunlight. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.